Hi, this is Brad. Today in this video I want to share with you our strategies on how we earn extra income renting our travel trailer using the RVshare platform. Let's get started. Number one, encourage weekly rentals. We find that short rentals are just not time or cost effective. We have a weekly discount to try to encourage that weekly rental. RVshare is part of the pie, in my opinion, is rather excessive. If you rent one camper on their platform, they get 25%. If you rent two campers, they get 20%. And I believe now if it's three campers, they get 15%. So for one camper, when they get 25% right away, it's not really worth our time to deliver and set up, and thus it's a weekly rental. You can set up minimum days to rent. We have it set at 3. And I only do that if we are delivering and setting up and it's a short distance. I won't do it for long distances. So again, encourage weekly rentals. Number 2, if possible, try to have your camper available for rent during holiday weeks or during local events, or in our case, there's even a couple of statewide events that have high demand. With higher demand comes higher rates. Number 3, if you're in a colder climate and you're renting your camper during the early spring, late fall, charge for propane use. RVs are poorly insulated and heat can add up. I recommend getting a propane tank gas level indicator, although I caution you there are mixed results with how well these work. Number 4, set a high enough security deposit to cover possible damages. We have ours set at $1,200. In the event that there is an accident, a claim on the camper, there is a $1,500 deductible, so you want to make sure you have enough money for that. What I think RVshare gets right is that they actually take that deductible and they take it out of the person that's renting, out of their bank account, and RVshare holds that. So you don't have to go hunting for the money or trying to get the money because it's there. Number 5, do your diligence to discourage damage. Be conservative with your maximum occupancy allowed. Our camper will sleep 10 people. We have a maximum occupancy of 6 people. If you get a lot of people in a small space, you get more nicks, more dings, and more possible damage. Also, we don't allow our renters to convert our dinette into a bed. That seems to be a problem area for damage. Another possible problem is the awning. I think a lot of people renting don't understand that a sudden storm can come while they're gone, and the wind, the rain, the hail, what have you, can damage that awning. So make sure you explain to your renters that if they're going to use it, that they are liable, and let them know the possible consequences. I do see some people don't allow the use of their awning. We do allow the use of our awning. Okay, another thing we do is we rarely allow people to tow. We have, but if we let somebody tow, we've got to make sure they have experience. They have the proper tow package on their vehicle with an electronic brake controller. And finally, set an appropriate minimum age for your renter. I love how RVshare allows you to set various parameters. We have it set at 29. I feel that at 29, most people are getting more mature. Okay, these almost go without saying, but make sure you're performing the proper maintenance. You're instructing your renters on how to use things properly. I like that RVshare allows you to actually upload videos, how-to videos. I hope you found some of these helpful, and of course each person's situation is going to be different and you're going to have to tweak some of these possibly. For example, if you have a Class A motorhome, obviously there's going to be more involved. But again, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't and give us a like.